Good day, guys. Well, I'm going to show you this, and this is not my idea. I stole this idea from Mr. Zippo Varga. Go to his channel. It's a great channel. He is like a small tractor guru, man, and all things. Small engines, life, experiences. Great guy. So this is a grease needle, and just poked it in there like that. This is for some reason, my long cord, or my long grease tube, is on my cheaper grease gun. And that's just the way it is. The other one ended up with snowmobile grease in it that I use for old gears and old snow blowers and things like that, because the grease doesn't get hard in the winter. But anyway, I'm just going to grease this little MTD mower, all of the arms that hold the deck, the very few steering joints there are, and that's it. So let's just have a little look here. I know I'm bouncing all over the place. Please forgive me, not enough arms. So I'm going to just grease that there, there, there. Just a small bit of grease up under here. Those. You getting the idea, right? Anything that has a moving connector. And you don't need to watch. I'll just do the one, and then you'll be an expert. Okay, here we go. First we'll get a little going. Oh, there we go. You don't have to go nuts. Etc., etc. Any place where there's a moving metal. And that's good enough, because I'm getting greasy. Well, as you guys know, I work alone a lot. And sometimes it's really difficult, and I have a bad back. A really bad back. So this is how I do it when I'm working alone. Sometimes I ask for help, you know, the old guy club, but it's therapy, right? This to me is therapy. So I've got a lawnmower deck on a table, but I've got my yellow lift. So the first thing we'll do is we'll pull it over onto the yellow lift. About 50%. We'll come up a little bit. Take out the carpet. There. Now I want to install this underneath the lawnmower. I think I'm going to go about the distance away that the deck is from the lawnmower. Do you guys see any of this? There we are. Yes, I think you can. Ooh. Ashley said, be careful, buddy. Alright, we're going to lower this down. We're going to put it back on this rack. And I can just pull it under the tractor. We're going to need knee protection for this. When I was growing up, my report card always said, easily distracted. Okay, this is where we gotta be careful. Yeah. you guys get any of that? Now I'm just going to pull it from the other side and get this deck underneath there. Oh darn. Okay, that's getting pretty close. Time for a break. I'm going to take some pictures of the procedure for deck removal and replacement just for you guys. Okay, I'll be back. Alright, we're going to install the deck in reverse order. Okay, it says put the belt on. Remove and replace belt guards at each deck pulley by removing the hex bolts. There they are there. So the belt is back on. And I rebuilt that spindle. Slide the deck from beneath the lawn tractor. So now we'll put the deck back under the lawn tractor. I'm going in reverse order. Replace the lift lever in the disengaged position. And now, disconnect, not disconnect, connect the stabilizer plate from the stabilizer shaft by assembling and removing the hairpin clips and flat washers and slide out the rod. So that, my friends, is this guy. And you only have to do one, right? So let's see if we can do this. We may want to lower the tractor down now, or mostly lower it. Crunch, crunch. I don't know if you guys can see. Okay, so there, and then up to this arm, like that, see that? And continue. So I'm gonna have to turn you off now. There. Oh. Okay guys, the next job is to hook up the 6 links, and that's one of them right there. So I just got 6 of those to do. Okay guys, right there, I got the belt on and the keeper. Do you see the keeper hanging down from the top of the chassis? I ended up bringing the lever all the way up to disengage. The book was wrong, I think. But anyway, I got it. And I am out of parts, guys. So, let's carry forward. Okay guys, now we're getting a better idea what the finished product's supposed to look like. There's broken brackets on the hood mount. We have to get that fixed. Now it's getting cosmetic. Little tear there that I'm going to work on. Oh, that was a battle.